Hello, Dawn's Inspirations here. If you haven't already signed up or pressed like on my YouTube channel, please do. Today I thought I would share with you the Waterfall Pocket Folio. So this workshop comes in 8-inch or 12-inch. So today I'm going to show you the 12-inch, and then I will do another video and do a walkthrough of the 8-inch. But you can see you can do it in both sizes. I brought this to Hobby Maker TV, and there was also a bundle on offer to get the two together. So do check that out, and I'll leave some links below on the video. So let's have a look at the 12-inch on this video. So this is my Waterfall Pocket Folio. So you can see it's 12 by 12 in size. It's got an inch spine, okay, and it's got a nice big gussets on the edge as well, so you can add lots of 3D embellishments and memorabilia. So let's open this up. So I've made this one for my children's graduations. So I've got my daughters on the left and my sons on the right. They both had to graduate with lockdown. So my daughter did the last year of her university with lockdown, and then had to wait 2 years to actually have her graduation, which was still very restricted. And then my son couldn't go out to start his scholarship because of lockdown and getting flights. So in the end he had to wait 6 months. But I've got them both in one place, which is fabulous for me. So just using bits I'd got from my craft stash. But I thought I'd show you what it looks like with photographs in. Because don't be put off by having or the word folio. Think of it as a scrapbook, or think of it as a photo album, really. This is a photo album, a place for you to showcase your photographs. So here we've got all the waterfall elements. You can see that you can put them in any configuration you like. I've just put these ones as I have on this page, and then here I've done them slightly different on this page, just so you can see the difference. And this is the nice thing with having the waterfalls like this. This means you can choose whether you've got more portrait photographs, more landscape photographs. You can do it quite easily. And these take slightly trimmed down 6x4 photographs, no problem. So here you see I've managed to get them both throwing their caps in the air once they're graduated. So I've got that all in one place as well. I've got the time that they were actually on stage, both of them, getting their certificates. So I've got all that as well. So it's all together in one place. And then if we slide over to one side, because it's mirrored this folio, so I've got all my waterfalls there, and then I'm going to slide this over like this. Then we've got this lovely large pocket, great for adding extra photographs, memorabilia, anything you like. You can cram lots inside here. And every time you make one of these, whatever paper collection you use, they will look totally different every single time that you do them. That is the nice thing about them. You can make these look totally different. They make great gifts because, yes, give them as gifts. As long as you've made to sell, you've got a finished folio, you can make and sell these as well. No problem at all. The angel policy is as long as you've made it, you can sell it. So they make great gifts as well. The online workshop, as I say, is available. This is the 12-inch version. There's also the 8-inch version, and I will share the links below the video, and I'll do another video with the 8-inch very shortly. I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.